Hey guys, Jason here. Today we're going to replace the temperature control switch on a Kenmore washer. You might need to replace the switch if the washer will not fill with water. Before we get started, take a second to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us create more repair guides to help you do it yourself. With over 2 million products in stock and the know-how to help you do it yourself, we are AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll need a Flateblade screwdriver and a putty knife. While you're getting those together, please remember to keep safety first. Go ahead and unplug the washer to prevent any risk of electrocution.
And while you're at it, turn off the water supply as well.
We're going to need to get into the console, so you need to use a putty knife here. On the left and right sides, you'll see a clip that holds the console to the cabinet. Slide the putty knife under the console about 1 inch from each end, then push the clip towards the back of the machine, while gently prying up and pulling forward to release one side. You'll need to do the same to the other side, and flip the console over. Now find the temperature control switch in the console. Remove the wire harness. Grab the switch and twist it until it is free from the console. On the front of the console, go ahead and remove the knob to the temperature control switch. Then install the new switch and twist it until it locks in place. After you've done that, put the wire harness back on.
Then reinstall the knob. It's keyed, so it can only go on one way.
Then slide the tabs into the bottom of the console into the holes in the top of the cabinet. After that, just push down the console till it locks in place, and you're done.
Don't forget to plug your washer back in and turn your water back on.
If you still need a replacement temperature switch, head over to AppliancePartsPros.com to get a new one. Most orders arrive in 2 business days, and we have tons of videos to help you install your new parts. In the meantime, don't forget to hit those like and subscribe buttons so you'll see our newest videos. Thanks for joining us today. We'll see you next time.